Okay, hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can automate your investment plan. Okay, in short, I call it the regular investment plan, RIP. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to have some cash in your bank account and POSB DBS bank. Okay, so once you log in, you'll see there are a lot of tab over here. So I want you to go ahead and click on invest, the invest tab, and then more investment services. Okay, so under more investment services, there are two columns: make an investment or manage investments. Okay, so what I want you to do is you go ahead and set up exchange traded fund regular savings plan. Okay, so just go ahead and click on it. And then you will come to this page. Okay, so you can choose invest using what type of instrument, can be cash, CPF or SRS. So in this video I'm going to show you that we're going to be investing using cash, and type of fund we're going to invest in Singapore index fund. Okay, this is called Nikko AM Singapore STI ETF. Okay, so as we all know that for index, uh, you know, in the long run you'll be going up. Okay, so we are going to invest index fund for the long run. Okay, so once you click on it, just check everything is good. Okay, Nikko AM Singapore STI ETF cash, currency is SGD, asset class is ETF. Okay, the last indicative price as of 12th of February is 3.4557. Minimum investment for the first time will be $100. So once you have checked everything, just go ahead and click buy. Okay, then it will show you uh, this note. Okay, so if you want, you can just read through. Okay, if not, you can just click on OK. Okay, then they will show you this page. Okay, in the indicative sales charge 0.82%. Okay, the fund cutoff time is 3 p.m. Okay, minimum investment amount will be $100. Minimum monthly investment will be $100. Okay, so you can just go ahead and choose your debiting account. Okay, usually will be your savings account, so in this case will be my savings account. Okay, so purchase information, you can choose how much you want to invest every month. Okay, so the minimum amount is $100 per month. Okay, so you can choose 500, 1000 is up to you. Okay, and the day of debit will be 15th of the month. Okay, okay, tax status, if you are Singaporean, okay, you can just go ahead and put resident, else you can just put foreign investor. Okay, and then country of birth, okay, depends on where you are born. Okay, so for me I'll put Singapore. Okay, okay, then we'll come to this which advise you to read on the prospectus, annual report, everything. Okay, you can just go ahead and read it if you want. Okay, if not, okay, you go through one more time again. Okay, the minimum investment amount will be $100. Okay, monthly investment will be $100. Okay, so once you have checked everything, then just click on next. Okay, and just wait for a while for the screen to, process. Okay, so they will show you the terms and condition, agreement. Okay, you can read through if you want. Okay, so if everything is okay to you, then you can just click on I agree. Okay, then will show you the fund information. Okay, Nikko AM as Singapore STR ETF. Okay, indicating unit price. Okay, the date and the fund cutoff time, the regular savings plan sales charge. Okay, so once you have checked everything, okay, just click submit. Okay, and you will show you your application has been submitted. Okay, so please note this reference number. If you want, you can just take down this reference number. Okay, and then once again check through everything and finish. Okay, and this is all what I want to show you, how you can automate your regular investment plan. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and listening to Yori White from YoriWhite.com.